Default selection and focus styles are pretty boring, so let's see a quick CSS code snippet that can change that in just a couple seconds. So I got a website here, and if I click tab, I'm tabbing through the link blocks and the buttons. It's got that normal blue color we've seen. I come down the form with this blue outline. This is actually Webflow specific, and then if I select, I get this blue color. But with just a little CSS snippet from my code repository, link to that in the description below, it's this one here, add spice with focus and selection. We'll go ahead and copy paste this. We'll put an embed into our site, paste it. Oh, we need style tags. So that's my closing style tag, and up here, I'll add some opening style tags. And let's go ahead and save. And now I got this cool orange outline and orange selection. And as I'm tabbing, if I come into preview mode and start tabbing through, you can see I get this really nice little animated effect. Now, the fact that we've animated something makes me think, hey, if somebody prefers reduced motion, then we should probably do something for them too. And so now with just that, with our code snippet, we can see that it's all static. We're not getting that expand effect. So just to explain this code real quick, if we come back in and open our embed up, let me zoom in here. So the main thing that's doing the work here is this focus visible selector. We set the outline offset to a half rem, and then we set the outline parameters here. We have, say your brand color can go here. Auto, you could change this to dotted, or I think dashed. There's a couple options. And set the border size here, and we make that important to override the Webflow styles. And then border color, you have to set the border color as well, because by default on forms, Webflow wants to set a border color of blue on that. So if we save that, I'll just show you what the dotted looks like here. Got a preview, and oh look, we got fancy dots. So all sorts of options that you can choose from. Let's get back into the code editor and change this back to auto. The other thing that's happening up here, we have our media selector on prefers reduce motion. This is what's going to do our animation for us. So if the user hasn't set a setting for reduce motion, then this code will be available to us. And this is just setting a transition to the outline offset of 75 milliseconds with an ease out, easing function, and then set the transition duration of a quarter second. And now down here we have our selection code. This is just when you select the text, setting the background color and the text color to white. That's really it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and talk to you on the next one. Bye.